Hello everyone, welcome to Lukman IAS. Today we are going to have the Hindu analysis of 1st January 2021. So first of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year on behalf of Lukman IAS. So let us see which are the important articles in today's The Hindu newspaper. Yes, these are the important articles. The first article that we are going to discuss on page number 6, editorial page, a very good article by our Vice President, and the article is discussing or having the context of last 1 year, how we have faced this pandemic and how the pandemic has forced upon us forced us to reflect on the life that we are living and what should be the life we should live in future. So it is talking about the meaning of life, purpose of life that we should have. तो काफ़ी अच्छा आर्टिकल है. फिलोसॉफिकली डायरेक्टली द एसे टॉपिक्स दैट कैन बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम दिस आर्टिकल, वेरी गुड स्टेटमेंट्स, कैप्शंस दैट यू कैन टेक टू राइट, use this in your examination. This year itself we are expecting the essay topic that is focusing overall in a philosophical manner in reflections on the pandemic and human life, or we can talk about the humans are only the part of incredible scheme of coexistence that we call nature, or the philosophy of life is an overall vision and attitude towards life and the purpose of it. Such kind of philosophical topics will surely be asked in your examination, essay topics. So let us try to understand what is given in this article. Largely all of these are directly can be used as a captions in your essay paper, ethics paper. So two important aspects it is discussing: the purpose of life and meaning of life. Purpose of life and meaning of life. Okay. So a very good let's say quote that has been given by the Dalai Lama: the purpose of life is to be happy. This can be directly asked as an essay paper or statement in your एथिक्स पेपर. जो एक बार क्वेश्चन भी आया हुआ है एथिक्स पेपर में, आई गेस इन 2014 और 15. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय हैप्पीनेस, व्हाट इज हैप्पीनेस अकॉर्डिंग टू यू. ठीक है, ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है एथिक्स में. सो दैट्स व्हाई इन एथिक्स पेपर ऑल्सो दे कैन आस्क व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय हैप्पीनेस, और ऐसे पेपर में भी आ सकता है. नथिंग गिव्स ए पर्सन ए सेंस ऑफ पर्पस देन ए डिस्टिंक्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ व्हाट शी डज. ओके. So, but are we so enlightened to pursue the work without being conscious and concerned about the results and finding meaning in it? So basically life is a battle against uncertainties and challenges. So in complete lifetime we face many uncertainties, many challenges, and how do we deal with these challenges is the, let's say, main aspect of life, human life, we will say that. And the pandemic has forced upon us to reflect on, or we can say philosophical reflection on our life. So what is this? The Plato said that philosophy is the process of constant questioning that takes the form of dialogue. Now the pandemic has forced us to think about the way we are living and ought to live. ठीक है, the way we are living and the way we should live. Okay. It has underlined the need to revisit and if required redefine the purpose and meaning of life. This is all about reorienting our mindset as the pandemic taught us few lessons of life. So we can say that the birth and death are not subject to our volition. The principal challenge is to navigate the journey in between these 2 points and defining its purpose and finding the meaning. Okay, so such kind of statements, very good statements are written in this article. The principal lesson that we have learned that we are only part of the larger design and have to got to live that way and not at the expense of others, including we can say environment and other animals also. Okay, wildlife. So humans are only part of incredible scheme of coexistence that we call nature. The issue is not about saving the nature, rather it is more about aligning with it and understanding how we are one. The philosophy of life is overall vision and attitude towards the life and purpose of it. It helps one building the principles in fighting the adversities of life and living in happiness. Okay, so the overall article is, you can understand, is focusing on the purpose and meaning of life. Okay, the philosophy offers the counsel. It strengthens one's ability to remain steady in the chaos and rush of the life. The specific purpose of the life determines the choices one makes and influences behavior towards the surrounding. So the purpose of life, we can say that the purpose of life determines the choices one makes and influences the behavior towards the surrounding. So let me tell you some basics about the ethics paper. The determinants of ethics or human action, they are, one of them is the purpose of life or purpose of action, we will say that. Okay, so that's why this is how the purpose influences the choices we make and influences the behavior towards the surrounding. Determinants of ethics is the part of your syllabus of ethics paper, we will say that. The other such determinants are the agent, or we can say that the circumstances and consequences. These are the four determinants of ethics, we can say. So next, human nature to be happy leads us to search for peace both within and without. Evolution from selfishness to self-realization promotes common good. Living in the moderation is the best lesson of the experience of the pandemic. Living with the equanimity and harmoniously with all beings, our surroundings and society is the ideal living. ठीक है, तो ideal way of living is, we can say that, living with equanimity, harmoniously with all beings, our surroundings. This is we can say that the ideal living. One is the master of one's life and the path to its meaning. The meaning of life lies in contributing to the flourishing humanity and the nature around for common welfare. This is the true meaning of life. Contributing to the humanity, contributing to the nature around us for common welfare in mind. So we can say that it is talking about ethical altruism, which is also part of ethics. Ethical altruism, right? So yes, uncertainties never cease. We need to tune ourselves to face them with the stillness, to stay in the happy state of mind and live with the purpose from which the meaning flows. Okay, so ultimately we can say that the learning to live with the purpose and meaning is the biggest takeaway of the year that has gone by. ठीक है, सो फिलोसॉफिकली, एथिकली एंड एसे पेपर, ये जो ऑप्शनल है आपका अगर फिलोसॉफी, तो भी ये काफ़ी अच्छा आर्टिकल है. सो यू कैन टेक इनपुट अकॉर्डिंगली. ट्राई टू राइट द एसे ऑन द टॉपिक्स दैट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड हियर इन द फर्स्ट पेज. ये टॉपिक्स आप ज़रूर प्रिपेयर करिए उसके लिए. फाइन, ओके. सो नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल on editorial page, ending the deadlock. The context of the article, again the farmers protest that is going on and the talks between the farmers leaders and the government. So somehow to some extent they have been successful, but it is the partial success, we will say that. Ultimate solution has not been reached yet. So the context, farmers protest and arriving at the amicable solution. Farmers protesting against the 3 agriculture reform laws on related issues have reached a partial agreement with the center, but the main points of contentions remain unresolved. The government has agreed to not penalize farmers for stubble burning, ये एक agree किया गया है. To safeguard the power subsidies, ये second point agree किया गया है. Okay, but the farmers have decided to continue the agitation without the until the 3 laws are being repealed and their demand for legal guarantee of MSP for farm produce is met. तो ये डिमांड जो है वो गवर्नमेंट एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा है. फाइन. The flexibility by the farmers and reconciliatory approach by the government led to the partial agreement, but the core concerns regarding the laws and MSPs are not amenable to easy resolution. Why? The subsidized power and lopsided incentive structures have built cropping patterns that are no longer sustainable. This argument is important on behalf of government. Large sections of farmers meanwhile continue to languish in the debt and fear. farmers' concerns are not uniform across India. The ongoing agitation is being spearheaded by the farmers of Punjab and Haryana, who have been the big beneficiaries of government procurement. So that's why we can say that the government cannot take the decisions only on the basis of farmers of Punjab and Haryana and their demands. Rather, the concerns of the farmers are not uniform across India, and a holistic approach is required whenever we talk about the reforms. The government is reluctant to agree to the legal guarantee of MSP because the demand is unrelated to the laws. Okay, so earlier also we can understand the MSP has never been a legal aspect or any part of any law, rather it has been the policy measure by the successive government. Reforms are necessary to ensure that India has the productive, sustainable and remunerative agriculture sector. So reports of National Commission on Farmers chaired by Professor M.S. Swaminathan and other government committees have suggested solutions. So government can look into those solutions or measures so as to have other reforms or look into the demands of the farmers. In conclusion, the center must engage with the farmers, political parties and states on the economic and environmental issues at stake. That is the best route for the effective reforms. So basically here the consultation with all stakeholders is important for any law to be successfully implemented. Okay, तो ये एक essence आपको पता होना चाहिए, consensus building and we can say engagement with all stakeholders. Next, nationwide vaccine dry run tomorrow. So yes, this is again the good news that the government is focusing on checking on the kind of infrastructure that is in place, and the efficacy of that infrastructure, because soon vaccine will be rolled out and the government is focusing on giving the vaccine shots to the priority population that it has identified. So the dry run will be conducted by the all state governments and union territories administration on 2nd January 2021 with the objective of preparing for rollout of COVID-19 vaccine across the country. The activity is proposed to be conducted by all state capitals. In all state capitals, at least 3 session sites. Some states will also include districts that are situated in difficult terrain, and states like Maharashtra and Kerala are likely to schedule the dry run in major cities other than capitals also. Okay. So the states and UTs have been asked to ensure that the data of these beneficiaries is uploaded on CoWIN platform, COWIN. So this CoWIN platform is the interface between the beneficiaries or the population and the administration, and also it will track the movement of vaccine from, let's say, manufacturing to the let's say to the sites where the vaccine will be delivered. So ये जो पूरा है वो CoWIN जो platform है technology based, on that platform it will be let's say monitored by the government. Fine. So this is the development. Soon the vaccine will be rolled out. So that's why it is very important to have the infrastructure, necessary infrastructure in place. Fine. Okay. So these were important articles from today's The Hindu newspaper. For further information on editorial discussion classes or ED classes, wherein in-depth analysis of mains related issues and articles is done by Ansari sir and team, you can contact Lukman IAS. Thank you.